Do you know many people are having trouble with changing the engine oil in their Stiga lawnmowers? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check oil level. Place the lawnmower on a flat surface and check the oil level using the dipstick. Step 2. Add oil gradually. If oil is low, add high-quality oil gradually to avoid spills, ensuring it's between the MIN and MX marks on the dipstick. Step 3. Warm up engine. Warm up the engine before an oil change, then drain the oil by tipping the mower on its right side and collect it in a container. Step 4. Top up fresh oil. Top up with fresh oil, check the oil level to ensure it's at the MAX notch, and tightly close the filler cap. Step 5. Clean spilled oil. Wipe off any spilled oil from around the filler cap to keep the mower clean. After following these steps, your Stiga Collector 48S should be ready for smooth operation with fresh engine oil. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Stiga users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.